You teach a synchronous class in which 15, 20, or more students will all log into a Porto at the same time. It's a good idea to start all of the servers ahead of time so that none of your students have to wait to log in. You can do this in 2 ways. If you arrive to class 10 or maybe even 5 minutes before the class starts, you can manually start the servers, and you can do this when you log in. Within the App Store, you can locate the application that you need, say MATLAB, and click the drop-down menu to the right of the launch button. Then, simply select the Start Servers option. Within about 5 minutes, all of the servers will be up and running. Alternatively, if you want to schedule this ahead of time, simply click on the Calendar button in the left menu. Scroll to find the date of your course. For example, maybe my course meets every Wednesday at 10 a.m., and I need MATLAB servers to be running at that time. I can double-click in the time slot, choose a recurrence every week for maybe 4 weeks, and hit OK. When the page refreshes, I see that my event has been scheduled. I can easily change this by dragging and dropping to a new time or canceling if I need to.